Once again, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome in our math class. This is the last day for this semester, semester 1. Okay, so multiplication. So once again, my name is Teacher Gwapo. I'm your math teacher in grade 2 MEP classes 2/1, 2/2, and 2/3. So these are the objectives that we will have this afternoon. We will, or you must know how to multiply one-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So at the end of this class, you must know how to multiply one-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. And you must know how to solve word problems involving multiplication. So two things, okay? So first, we will start in multiplying one-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So you can see that in your book on page 83. But before that, we will answer your book. Let us have a short review in multiplication. So let us learn how to multiply one-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Okay, here you can see here that there are 3 groups of 12 mangoes. So there are 3 groups. Group 1, group 2, and group 3. And each group has 12 mangoes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 mangoes, right? So here 12, another 12, another 12. So that is 3 times 12. 3 groups, and there are 12 mangoes in each group. So we do like this, 3 times 12. So we can write it vertically. Okay, when we say vertically, we will multiply numbers on the top and the numbers at the bottom. So we do like this. So let's say here 2 or 3 times 2 is equals to 6. That's why we have 6 here. Why is it 10? Because we expand the number 12. We just expand the number 12. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So we expand the number 12. So 3 times 2 is 6. 10 times 3 is 30. So if we will add 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Very easy. Yeah? So we get 3 tens and 6 ones, and that is equal to 36. Now here, 2 times 17. 2 times 17, or 2 groups of 17 color pencils. So here there are 17 pencils. In here there are 17 pencils. So we will multiply here 2 times 7. So 2 times 7 is equals to 14, right? 14. So we get 110 and 4 ones. So we put 4 or 4 ones in the ones column. So this is the column for ones place. And then bring 1 for 110 on or to the tens column. So that's number 14, right? So you write the 4 ones here and 110 here in tens column. And then after that, we will multiply 2 and 1. So 2 times 1. So if we will multiply 2 and 1, we get 2, right? 2 times 1 is 2. And that is 2 tens. So 2 tens, and we have another 110 here, okay, from 14 a while ago. So which is equal to 3. So we have here 34. So 17 times 2 is equals to 34. Again, 7 times 2, 14. We write 1 here in tens place. So 2 times 1 is 2. And then plus 110 here. So 2 tens plus 110 is equals to 3 tens. Okay, 3 tens. So the answer, 17 times 2 is equals to 34. Right? Now here, example in your book. You can see this picture in your book on page 83. Okay, page 83. Open your book, page 83. Now here, you will see here that there are 2 groups of 13. 13, what is this? Is it a guava? The picture is not really clear. So as long as there are 2 groups and each group has 13 fruits. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have here 26. Now here, let us answer your book. Now, 5 times 5. 5, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 25, right? 25. So we write number 2 here, number 5, and put the 2 tens in tens column. And then we will multiply 5 into 1. So 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 tenths. So 5 tenths plus 2 tenths is equals to 75. 75. Very easy. Here, letter B. Who can answer letter B? Raise your hand. What is your answer in letter B? If you know the answer, tell me your answers. Okay, tell me your answers, please.
48.
48.
Okay, 48.
48.
Thank you. 48
40.
because 2 times 4 is 8, and then 1 times 4 is 8, so equals to 48. Here, very easy. Letter C is very easy. What's your answer in letter C? Letter C, what's your answer in letter C? 11 times 6. 11 times 6.
66.
11 times 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay. 6 times 1, 6. So 66. 66. Okay. Because 1 times 6 is 6. Another one, 1 times 6 or 6 times 1 is 6. So we have 66. Okay. Now please turn your book on the next page. Next page, page 84. Page 84. Okay. Go. Page 84. The questions there is up to letter K. Can you see the example here? 4 times 2 is 8. And then 4 times 3 is 12. So the answer here in the example is 128. So 32 times 4 is 128. Right? Now letter A. Letter A. 61 times 5. 61 times 5. What's the answer here?
305.
305. It's correct. Very good. Very good. How about in letter B? What's the answer in letter B? Letter B. That is 83 times 3. 83 times 3. So 3 times 3 is, that's 3 plus 3 plus 3. Nobel, please. Nobel, go.
249.
249 is correct. Okay, because 3 times 3 is equals to 9. And then 8 times 3 is 24. So we have here 249. Letter C. Letter C. 17 times 4. 17 times 4.
68.
60? 68. Thank you. Because 7 times 4 is 28. So write 8 here and then write 2 in on the top in a tens column, right? Right here the number 2. Okay, so write the number 2 there, 28, and then 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So that's why we have 68. Letter D. Letter D. Who can answer letter D?
Me.
Okay, please.
205.
205, because 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So we have here 205. So the answer here is 205. Thank you. Very good. Now here, letter E is very easy. 2 times 4 is 8. Again, 2 times 4 is 8. So that is 88. Letter E is very easy. Letter F. How about letter F? What's your answer, letter F? Letter F, 73 times 3. 73 times 3.
219.
219 is correct because 3 times 3 is 9. 7 times 3 is 21. So we have 219. Letter G. Letter G. 64 times 2. 64 times 2. What's your answer here? 64 times 2. So 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, right? 4 times 2 is 8. And then 6 times 2 is 12, right? Again, 4 times 2 is 8. 6 times 2 is 12. So we have here 128. Okay. Again, 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 6 is 12. That's why we have here 128. Here, letter H. Letter H. Who can answer letter H? 71 times 7.
790. 400.
497.
200 and
4.
400. Okay, 497. Thank you. 497. Letter I. Letter I. 82 times 4. This one is easy. 82 times 4.
328.
328 is correct because 4 times 2 is 8. And then 4 times 8 is equal to 32. So the answer here is 328. Letter J. Letter J. 93 times 2. 93 times 2.
I think it's 182 because I already finished.
Okay, 180.
6. I'm so down.
Okay, because 3 times 2 is 6.
6.
9
Teacher, I
times 2
forgot.
is
Okay, I
18.
forgot.
It's okay.
I tried to enter 6, but I forgot and I write 2.
Okay, now what's your answer in letter K, please, Alinta?
Can I think for a moment?
Okay, sure. This is 4 times 2.
128.
128 because 2 times 4 is 8. And then 6 times 2 is 12. So 128. Thank
It isn't
you.
that hard. It's so easy, but division is hard because I don't.
Okay. Okay. Now, everybody, I will give you a 1 minute to answer exercise number 3. 1 minute for you to answer exercise number 3. So there are, how many questions are there? 7 questions. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, start now. 1 minute for you to answer exercise number 3. Okay, go. Page 85.
Yes.
Go. Use your ruler. Use your ruler to make lines so that the line is will be straight. If you don't have ruler, it's okay. But make sure that when you make line, it's straight. Avoid erasure so that your works is clean. Page 85. So there are 6 questions. There are 6 questions. So that is comparing. I mean matching type. You have to match. Okay, you have to match. Just like the example here, 4 times 35 is equals to 140. So here, what's the partner of 11 times 8? 11 times 8 is equals to 88. So which number that will give us an answer of 88 here? 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Therefore, 88. So we can use line. Make sure that when you make line, it's straight, okay? Make it straight. Okay, make it straight. Okay, go. Okay, finished already? Everybody, pencils down. Pencils down. Pencils up if you're finished. So if you're finished, show me your pencil so that teacher will know that you're already finished with your work on page 85. Okay. Now let's answer, everybody. Let's answer. It's a matching type. So you can find the answer on the right side. Okay. Now letter A. The answer in letter A is, can you check your works? Letter A, the answer here is 22 times 4. That is the partner of 11 times 8. So 11 times 8 is 88. 22 times 4 is 88. So the answer in letter A is 22 times 4. That's the partner. Letter B, 12 times 5. 12 times 5, that is 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. So what's the partner? 12 times 5 is 60, right? So what is the answer? What's your answer? Anyone?
10 times 6.
10 times 6. It's correct because 10 times 6 is 60. 12 times 5 is 60. Thank you. Letter C, 25 times 3. 25 times 3. 25 times 3. What's your answer? 25 times 3. The partner of it is?
15 times 5.
Sorry, 15 times?
5.
Times 5. Because 15 times 5 is equals to 75. Letter D, 14 times 6. 14 times 6. Anyone? 14 times 6 is? 14 times 6 is equals to? 14 times 6. 14 times 6, what's your answer? If you know the answer, you can unmute your microphone and tell me your answers. 14 times 6, the partner is? That's the partner of 14 times 6. It's 12 times 7.
84.
Okay. Letter E. Letter E, the answer here in letter E, 20 times 6 is equals to 100 and okay, that's it. Okay, 120 because 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 and 20 and 20. So it's just like counting 20s by counting 26 times. Okay, here and letter F, the answer here is 25 times 2 is equals to 50. 5 times 10 is equals to 50. So that is the answer on page 85. Okay, thank you. Everybody, pencils up. Are you done? Okay, thank you. Finished already, right? So a painter paints 3 windows each day. How many windows will he paint in 6 days? Don't forget to write the mathematical sentence, 3 times 6. So number of windows each day is 3 windows. Number of days is 6 days. So painter paints 3 times 6 is equals to 18. So 18 windows in 6 days. So painter paints 18 windows in 6 days. Okay. Now in letter B, a woodpecker picks 3 trees in an hour. That means in an hour, it means 1 hour. So how many trees will it pick in 6 hours? Okay, a woodpecker picks 3 trees in an hour. And how many trees will it pick in 6 hours? So in mathematical sentence, we do like this. 3 times 6 is equals to, and then line. And then we write here, number of trees in an hour, 3 trees. And number of hours, 6 hours. Okay, so we will multiply the same, 18. So woodpecker picks 18 trees in 6 hours. Okay, 18 trees in 6 hours. So woodpecker picks 18 trees. Okay, 18 trees. Okay, letter C. Just listen first, just listen so that you will understand. And then later you can watch the video. Okay, here, letter C. Kit bought 7 cupcakes and then he spent 6 baht on each cupcake. How much did Kit spend altogether? The keyword here, altogether. Okay, so cupcakes here, we write here 7 times 6, mathematical sentence. 7 cupcakes and then he spent 6 baht for or on each cupcake. So right here, Kit bought 7 cupcakes and then he spent 6 baht and then Kit spent 42 baht for 7 cupcakes. 7 times 6 is equals to 42. So answer, Kit spent 42 baht. Letter D. Okay, letter D. Joe has 8 boxes. Each box contains 12 mangoes. How many mangoes does he have in all? Joe has 8 boxes. Okay, 8 boxes, and each box, it contains 12 mangoes. So that is 8 times 12. 8 times 12. So right here, box contain 12 mangoes and Joe has 8 boxes. This one is boxes, not mangoes. Let me cross it out. Okay, this one must be boxes. Okay, let me cover this one. That must be a boxes, 8 boxes. Okay, 8 boxes here. Let me write here. Okay, that's boxes. So Joe has 8 boxes. So we will just multiply. Joe has 96 mangoes in all together, or the total of mangoes in 8 boxes, because 8 times 12 or 12 times 8 is equals to 96. So Joe has 96 mangoes. So the answer here, don't forget, don't write mangoes here. This is Joe has 8 boxes, not 8 mangoes. Okay, Joe has 8 boxes. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. See you next time. Okay, goodbye. God bless. God bless. I will send to you the video later. Okay, I will send to you the video. It's already time. Thank you. God bless.